Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's 12 days of tutorial, I'm going to be playing with the Natasha Denona Sunset palette, the viral palette that everybody wanted, but it was sold out. Yes, that palette. Which, in case you forgot how it looks, this is what that baby looks like right here. So I'm going to be creating a look using this palette. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump in. So I've already done my eyebrows per usual. I used the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the Duo Powder, both in Ebony. And then I carved the bottom of my eyebrows and primed the lids using MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And then I lightly set that with my translucent powder. So that's all I have going on the eyes. And now why don't we jump in? But first, let me add a little bit of lip oil because my lips are dry. But I'm using the Lunar Beauty lip oil in Dare Me, in case you're curious. Love it. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go in with the palette. Let's see. So I want to create like a I want to create like a sunset eye per se. So it doesn't have a light shade. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the shade Soul, which is this yellow right here. And I'm going to apply that all over the crease. Like so. Alright, now with the same brush, I'm going to go into the shade Sinai, which is this brown right here. And I'm going to apply that shade right below where I applied the yellow. So like right here. Now I'm going to go back in with the yellow Soul and just blend that up here just so we don't lose that yellow. Like so. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go in with a more tapered blending brush. And I'm going to go into the color Panjin, which is this red color right here. And I'm going to use that color in the outer part of the crease. This flap, it's really irking me right now, but I don't want to take it off just because it has the names of the shades. But this back and forth, it's a little bit annoying. Now I'm going to go in with my blending brush with no additional product, and I'm just going to blend this out. So now I'm going to go in with a glitter glue because I'm going to go in with some of the shimmers. I'm going to use the McGrath IntensifEYES Artistry wands, and I'm going to apply this to the inner and middle part of the eyelid, like so. Now I'm going to go into the shade Morgana, which is this shade right here. I'm going to use a shader brush. This is the e.l.f. times J Kissa J1. I'll grab that color and I'm going to apply it to right next to the red shade. So like right here. I'm going to have a nice gradient of colors. So like so. Now I'm going to turn my brush and I'm going to use the color Mandarin. Should I use Mandarin? Let's see how dark it is. But I'm going to turn my brush and I'm going to use this shade right here, Mandarin. And I'm going to apply that in the inner part of the lid. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the shade Panjin, which is the red. And I'm going to intensify that red in the outer part of the crease. And now I'm going to go into the blending brush with no additional product. And I'm just going to blend the two colors. Well, the crease, I should say. I'm going to grab a little bit of Soul, the yellow color. I don't want to lose it. Apply it up here and bring it up to the brow bone like so. So I'm going to do the rest on this side. Alrighty, so this is what the eyes look like. Now I'm going to jump off camera, do a liner, lashes, finish the complexion, and then I'll come back to show you the final look. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the look that I created using the Natasha Denona Sunset palette right here. What do you guys think? This baby right here. This palette is so beautiful and so vibrant and so pigmented and true Natasha Denona formula. It was easy to blend, it was easy to apply. I have nothing bad to say about this palette. It's very expensive, it's on the pricier side, but I'm very excited to have this in my collection. I love the look that I was able to recreate today, and I hope you liked it as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.